So can you able to see my screen? So let me start. Okay, so before this, we do have trading on the My Invoice applet. Okay, so after we done the pre-production and then the production registration. Okay, so I will gonna put the link into the box. Yeah, so after we register there, okay, after we register there, then you're gonna go to the organization applet over here. By right, you're gonna see your company, the one that you created before. So how you do this is that you go to the company and then you go to the you choose one of your company over here. Okay, maybe I put it the toggle to one for you. Okay, so here will be all the detail that you put for your company. So the one that you need to configure will be the e-invoice applet over here. All right. So when you go to the e-invoice applet, here is that you need to choose enable, meaning that you're gonna use the e-invoice inside the big ledger. So you choose enable and then you choose what is would be your country, which is Malaysia. So over here we have a Peppol and also direct LHDN. So if you're gonna use Peppol for the intermediary, then you choose people. If not, then you choose direct to LHDN, which is you use big ledger for intermediary. Okay. So and then the next will be you choose this part, which is the e-invoice batch line logic. So the batch line logic here actually is used for the consolidated invoice, whether you want to show or you put all your transaction, your post, your receipt number is it by line or by receipt number, by document, by branch, or by line. Okay, you choose. So usually we choose by document, which is by document line lah, right? And then the next one will be the sandbox over here. Okay, just now I paste in the pre-production and then the production. This sandbox actually for your pre-production. So meaning that you want everything, all of your transaction that created under this company, if we go to the sandbox, which is the pre-production, or you want everything under this company, go straight away to your production server. If let's say you want to do still to do the task and everything, then you can choose sandbox. If not, then you straight away go to the production. Okay. So here will be the supplier name, which is your company. Okay, your company over here, it will auto created here. Okay. Now, if you go to the supplier ID type, BRN will be there. So you need to put your BRN number, okay, BRN number, and then your supplier PIN. So for this part, you need to check to the LHDN. After, okay, if let's say I put this 0, right, if I verify PIN. So after you put your BRN and then you put your PIN, if let's, then you need to click verify PIN. So if let's say it, then its system will show you whether the PIN is valid or not. All right. So now, just now I choose another 10, right? Sorry, another 0 over here. Then I verified PIN. Then it say that that's invalid. So if let's say I put here and then I verified PIN, so the PIN is valid. So make sure that your PIN and then your BRN is valid lah to configure this e-invoice applet. Because if let's say your PIN is invalid, then your e-invoice will not be configured inside the big ledger. Okay, and then you put your contact number, your email, and then your MIC code. The MIC is here is already inside the system, so you just need to choose. Okay, and then you can leave it blank for the payment method. Okay, this tourism, Artiga number, and FTA information. This one you can leave it blank. This is for your tourism. This one for tourism. This one is for export import. If let's say you do have that information, you can put it there. The address here will be auto fill up based on your detail here and then your address. Okay. So after here being fill up, then you can click save. All right. For the people one, if let's say you choose here is direct LHDN, then you can ignore the people configuration. So for to choose the e-invoice here, tab will be straightforward. So straightforward for the configuration. So you just need to make sure that your supplier PIN and your BRN number is valid lah. So is there any requirement for the BRN number? For the BRN number is you need to have 12 digit, okay, 12 digit for the BRN number. So this BRN number usually is you can get by to the, from the LHDN. So for the BRN, it will be unique lah. For each company will be unique, cannot be duplicated. So just want to add on for your MIC code there, okay, the MIC code that you choose here. This one also you can get from your SSM. So basically the information that you can get, right, which is this MIC, the BRN, the TIN, and also those information if let's say is this on your company background. Okay. So anything else you want to add on or you ask? So if let's say you don't have anything, then I will end the session. Thank you everyone. Thank you.